Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and greetings to our beloved lecturer, Dr. Dila Alina. We are from Group 9. In this video, we are going to present our selected topics, which is operation and management of anaerobic biological treatment process.
Okay, let's take a look for our first slide, which is I will explain about what is anaerobic biological treatment. Anaerobic biological treatment is a biological wastewater treatment process that occurs in the absence of dissolved oxygen. In this process, various groups of anaerobic microorganisms work together to degrade complex organic pollutants into simpler compounds. So, the treatment takes place through four main stages, which are hydrolysis, acidogenesis, acetogenesis, and methanogenesis. During hydrolysis, complex organic materials such as protein, carbohydrates, and fats are broken down into smaller molecules. These molecules are then converted into volatile fatty acids during acidogenesis and acetogenesis. Finally, methanogenic bacteria convert these intermediate products into biogas, mainly methane and carbon dioxide. The methane produced can be captured and used as a renewable energy source. So, due to its ability to handle wastewater with high organic loading, anaerobic treatment is widely applied in industries such as food processing, palm oil mills, breweries, and paper manufacturing. Alright, next, the primary objective of anaerobic biological treatment is to remove biodegradable organic pollutants from wastewater, which is commonly measured by the reduction of chemical oxygen demand, which also known as COD, and biochemical oxygen demand, also known as BOD. Another important objective is the recovery of energy through biogas production. Unlike aerobic treatment, anaerobic systems do not require large amounts of energy for aeration, so it making them more energy efficient. In addition, anaerobic treatment generates significantly lower amounts of excess sludge because most of the organic matter is converted into gas rather than microbial biomass. This helps reduce sludge treatment and disposal costs. Overall, the process aims to achieve effective wastewater treatment while promoting sustainability through energy recovery and reduce environmental impact.
So let's move on to what's process, technology, or operation involved in this treatment process. We have four processes in this treatment process. The first one is hydrolysis, where complex organic compounds are broken into simpler molecules. The second one is acidogenesis, where the simple molecules from the hydrolysis are converted into a volatile fatty acids. The third one is acetogenesis, where volatile fatty acids are converted into acetates, hydrogens, and carbon dioxide. And the last one is methanogenesis, where methanogen bacteria produce a methane and carbon dioxide. So, what are the common technologies that we use in our treatment process? There is four important technologies, which are anaerobic technologies, upflow anaerobic sludge blanket, it's called short forms UASB. The third one is anaerobic filter and anaerobic lagoon. And last but not least, the most key important things to ensure our treatment process are successful is the operations and management requirement. The first one is we have to maintain a suitable temperature, such as mesophilic needs a 30 to 38 degrees Celsius. We need to monitor pH, typically 6.8 to 7.5. Next, to control organic loading rates, regular monitoring of biogas productions, and last but not least is prevent toxic substances from entering the reactor. Next, I will discuss the environmental and sustainability aspects of the anaerobic biological treatment process. This technology provides several environmental benefits. First, it helps reduce water pollution by removing organic pollutants from wastewater before it is discharged into the environment. Secondly, it produces renewable energy in the form of biogas, which mainly consists of methane and carbon dioxide. In addition, when biogas is properly captured and utilized, greenhouse gas emissions can be reduced. Compared to aerobic treatment system, anaerobic processes also generate less excess sludge, which reduces disposable requirements. From a sustainability perspective, this process supports circular economy principles because waste materials are converted into useful resources. It also consumes less energy than many conventional wastewater treatment methods. Furthermore, the biogas produced can be used for electricity generation or heating purposes, while nutrients present in the treated sludge can be reused as fertilizer in the agriculture. However, there are several challenges. Anaerobic systems usually require a longer startup period before reaching stable operation. They are also sensitive to sudden changes in temperature and pH, which can affect microbial activity. Therefore, proper management and monitoring are essential to maintain treatment efficiency.
Safety considerations and best practices. Safety considerations. Methane gas is highly flammable. Hydrogen sulfide can be toxic and harmful to workers. Confined spaces may contain dangerous gases and low oxygen levels. Equipment failure may lead to gas leaks or process upset. We have best practices too. So, the things are regularly inspect tanks, pipes, and gas collection systems. Monitor gas concentrations using gas detectors. Maintain stable operating conditions like temperature, pH, and loading rate. Provide proper ventilation in treatment facilities. Train workers on emergency procedures and personal protective equipment (PPE). And the last but not least, conduct routine maintenance and performance monitoring. Conclusion: Anaerobic biological treatment is an efficient and sustainable wastewater treatment technology that removes organic pollutants while producing renewable energy in the form of biogas. Proper operation, monitoring, and safety management are essential to ensure high treatment efficiency, environmental protection, and worker safety.